Hi, hello. When my friend tried to clean the speakers, he popped open and it split open into two pieces. So he find it difficult to solder all the wires. So I'm helping it. So basically, the red and black is for the battery, the white and the blue is for the positive and negative terminal of the speaker, and the green is for the antenna. So all the wires have come out. So I have soldered this one. So let me show you how to put this back. So there's a tiny new magnet here, so that helps holding inside the case. This got a 3.7 volt battery. Make sure you always solder the terminals according to the polarity. This one is minus, this one is plus, which will be always mentioned in the battery. And make sure you solder the battery at the end after soldering all the wires. In that way you can get rid of short circuits and other related issues because of the power supply. Okay, this is a case. So first I'm going to put all the wires into the frame and take it out from the other direction. Make sure the wires are not tangled, so it's easy for us to solder. So antenna is situated in the earbuds. It's nothing but a copper foil here. So the green wire should get soldered to this. So this is something which goes first. Once after we solder the antenna, let's put this back into the frame so it's easy and it doesn't disturb other connection. This very dedicated wire. Now let's solder the white and the blue. Okay, so now all three are connected, the blue, white and the green. So now it's time to put back into the case. So the aerial should face the back direction and the speaker hole should get into the earbuds. Okay, now it's time to put the battery. Make sure we don't touch the terminal for a very long time and make the battery heat up. Should be a mild touch through. Now plus minus everything is soldered together. The speakers are in place with the white and blue wires intact and the green one is for the antenna. So let's put the tape back, the protection tape. The battery should get into it like this, and this should to be closed like this. And at the bottom here you find the connector. It should be like this. So now the earbuds are ready. Let's put into the case to check if it's charging. Yeah, it is working. I guess I've placed the magnet opposite direction, so it's not getting in touch. So let's put the magnet in a proper direction. If you put it in a wrong direction, it won't get stuck. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel for more videos.